Have you ever dreamed of starting your own YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to launch a successful YouTube channel that makes money from day one. Whether you want to share your passion, build a personal brand, or make YouTube your full-time business, this video has all the tips you need to get started. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing all my best tips for starting a profitable channel from scratch and optimizing it to make money from the very first day. This is perfect for anyone looking to turn their passion into a full-time business on YouTube. The great thing about YouTube is that you can literally start making money immediately if you follow the right steps. So if you're ready to begin your journey to YouTube success, grab a pen and paper because this video is packed with tons of valuable step-by-step advice. First things first, your channel concept. The very first thing you need to do is come up with a concept for your channel. This means identifying your niche, interests, skills, personality, and determining the types of videos you want to make. Find a niche that you're truly passionate about, whether that's beauty, gaming, tech reviews, comedy skits, anything. This passion will come through in your content. Make your channel concept focused, but also leave room to expand into related topics down the line. You want to start specialized, but have room to grow over time. Setting up your channel. Once you've identified your niche and channel concept, it's time to set up the basics. Come up with a short, memorable, and descriptive channel name. Use keywords relevant to your niche. Design a simple but eye-catching logo and channel art. This is your brand identity. Write an engaging channel description optimized with keywords. Briefly explain your channel concept here. Fill out other channel settings like links, contact email, social media handles. Make it easy for viewers to connect. Optimizing your first videos. When launching a brand new channel, your first few videos are critical for getting exposure and that initial audience. You want to optimize them for maximum visibility and searchability. Research keyword phrases and topics related to your niche that have good search volume but not too much competition. These will be easier to rank for as a new channel. Incorporate these primary keywords in your video titles and descriptions. This tells YouTube what your video is about. Create shareable content that solves a problem, entertains, teaches a skill, etc. Provide value to viewers. Promoting your new channel. Once you have a few optimized videos up, it's time to start promoting your channel. This is key for getting those initial views, subscribers, and building an audience. Share your videos on all your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Ask friends and family to share as well. Join relevant Facebook groups, subreddits, forums, and other communities to share your content where your target audience hangs out. Engage with your audience. Reply to all comments. Ask questions. Do call to actions. Building connections leads to loyalty. Monetizing your channel. One of the best things about YouTube is you can start earning money right away through multiple income streams. Sign up for the YouTube Partner Program to allow you to monetize with Google AdSense. Place ads appropriately. Add affiliate links and product recommendations relevant to your niche to descriptions. Collaborate with brands for sponsorships and dedicated videos. Disclose appropriately. Sell merchandise like t-shirts with your logo or brand catchphrases. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to starting a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. The most important thing is to stay consistent, keep optimizing your content over time as you learn more about your audience. Don't get discouraged if growth is slow. At first, it takes time to build an audience. But stick with it. Continue providing value, and you could turn your channel into a full-time business.